Hi friends! Today we are doing a very lighthearted floral drawing. These flowers don't exist in real life, so you can just have fun with it and fill up your sketchbook page. You will need your sketchbook and a piece of paper to place between the pages so that your marker doesn't bleed through. For colors, you will need a deep purple, a red, and an orange. Make those really vibrant and rich colors. And then get a deep green and a black. Place the paper under your sketchbook page, and we'll start off with the purple. So first thing you'll draw is a circle/oval. This doesn't have to be perfect. We're just blocking off space on the page. Make it about halfway down the page on the right, and then draw another one on the top half of the page, slightly smaller than the first one. Then you will draw a waved line all the way around both circles. And these will be the outer petals of the flower. That circle oval shape just gives us a guide for placing the flower. Makes your life easier. We all need that sometimes. So continue that same thing over on the second flower. It's fine if the petals overlap a little bit and if they go off the page. Now we're going to fill in the purple. You can do this any way you like. I'm going to fill in the waves first and then go back through and fill in the circles. I'm using the Ohuhu markers here, and I'm using the fine tip and brush tip versions. And I'll list the exact colors in the description and on the screen so that if you've got these, you can follow along. If you don't worry about it. Just pull the closest colors that you've got in marker, or you could even use colored pencil for this. Once you've completed that, take your black and create a crisscross star shape in the center of each flower. You'll make some of these dashes shorter and then some longer than each other. Now take your orange, and these are really fun. So you'll make roughly a bow pattern and then create a V pattern at the very top. And it'll create this nice spiky looking puffy fluffy flower. So again, make that bow and then do a V. And we'll do one more of those up here at the top. Once you've done that, you'll take your red color and we'll fill in some more of the white space. We'll do that with creating a U shape and then create a little bit of a wave on top of each of these. These will help fill in all the spaces and give a little bit more visual interest and really pop it up with some bright, vibrant red. Go through and fill in all of those. The beautiful thing about this design is you can do this on any size sketchbook page. I'm using a 3.5 inch by 5 inch sketchbook here, but you could do this on a huge sketchbook and it would fill up the page. You can either make the flowers bigger or add more of them. Now we're going to add stems to each of our flowers, so you'll take your dark green and give a slight curve to each of these stems. And some of them will run behind the flowers like I'm doing here. And keep doing that as you work your way across the page. You may need to turn your sketchbook this way and that, whatever makes it easy on you to draw those stems. Next, you will draw your leaves. And since we are not in the realm of reality with this drawing, with the flowers being made up, you will make the leaves whatever shape your heart desires. Some of these will be large, some will be smaller. Basically use them to fill up the white space that's still on your page. So they will be at uneven intervals and kind of out of proportion to the size of the flowers. But you know what? It's just for fun. So have fun with it. And then go back through and fill those in. once you've finished filling in those leaves, you are all set. You've got a beautiful sketchbook page, completely full. How easy was that? My name is Sarah. I create both realistic and unrealistic flower drawings. So if you're interested in that, be sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you again soon.